Hi there, Yang again. Today we are going to focus on the two issues we still have. One issue is the one where we are basically having that start behavior. When it's in combat, it selects the attack behavior, and that is something we don't want. That is a quick fix. So, like I say, add a new variable to the AI component and set it in begin play. And then the second one, I don't know if it's here, but we are gonna investigate why when you have an enemy that has like a melee weapon and the other enemy has like the fist, for example, why he's still saying that when, like we say, on the attack, we have a flow, and in that flow, normally we check, hey, what weapon do we got? We need to change to the same weapon. That was the logic we want, that we always have like an equal fight. Okay, so this can close now. Save it. I'm already having the project open. So the first thing we're gonna do is make that quick fix on our starting point. So what we are going to do, we're going to go to the variables, we're going to go to the behavior, we are going to duplicate our current state and name it start state. Doesn't need to be visible or instant editable. And then like you already see, then in our setup, that's the begin play, before we bind, we are going to set the state, the start state. And then on our behavior run, hold on, I'm gonna quickly, okay, so current state we set to the start state. Then we just go one lower, then on our run behavior tree. This is basically where we set all our defaults for the blackboard. So in the first step, we are taking the blackboard, we're checking if it's valid. Then we are setting the default behavior, set enum as the starting state. In the next step, then normally it was like so. We also did it. We set the same state, but then in the starting state. But this variable we are going to delete, and we are going to drag in our start state, and we're gonna hook it up here. So that is then our start behavior. That is then we compile and then we save. And now I'm gonna just close it because now we're going to go to um, the next issue. And that is, like I say, the problem when he got like, for example, melee sword. He detects this one just got the unarmed or the fist, for example. Then he goes into taking the fist because, yeah, in this setup with Hyper, the fist is basically a weapon. So to trigger the animation state, the movement, the locomotion, I think we can best call it. So, but what I'm thinking, like when we are the player, we can see in the inventory, we can open the inventory and debug like that. But on the AI, we don't have that control over it. So I was thinking maybe to first make like a widget, just temporarily widget, and hook it up to the AI. And what I want from the widget is only what weapon he got in the hand, so that part is triggered, so that we can maybe follow it a little bit in the workflow. So I think that is what we are gonna do now. So where are we gonna put that? Maybe make, yeah, maybe make just a new folder. Call this debugging. Okay. Then in this folder, I want to have a user interface, a widget blueprint of class widget blueprint. And I want, call it widget blueprint underscore AI debug. We're gonna open this, and in this one we need an overlay maybe. Yeah, an overlay. The overlay maybe. Let's see. It doesn't need to be. Doesn't. Can we set it like here already? Maybe. I want to have it like custom on screen or something because it doesn't need that to be that big. Eh? Make it 100 by 300. We can adjust that later. Eh? I think that should be fine. And in here, in the overlay, I only want to have text. I only want to have a text box. The text box, align it in the center. It doesn't matter. Now compile and save this already. And now we're gonna see how we can best get. Let's see how we can best get our information. All right. We need to be in. Let me think. We're gonna take the component. Yeah. Then this is the event graph. Okay, and we need to have the player, the AI controller, because we need to follow the correct flow. All right, so in this case, just delete some of those, doesn't matter. Yeah, keep those two. Okay, they are a little bit far from each other, but that doesn't matter. So we're gonna do quickly simulation. So we start. He is walking, doesn't matter in which state, or he's waiting. Then all of a sudden, a target comes into the detection range, and then at this point we only seeing. We don't have the hearing or anything, so we see something, and then he will start by doing the logic. So the first thing this is triggered is the AI controller. The construction script we don't need anymore, so close this, that we don't. Okay, so the first thing that has happened, so that is in our perception logic. So let's get over it. Okay, here we don't need to be sensing, then based on the perception side hearing. Okay, and in this case we need to be in our vision. So we just gonna follow the flow. So up, okay, he detects, he goes into our first function that sits in our component. Yeah, in the component then we have output, we store a little bit, then we check, then we cast, then we get a team. Is it a team? Yes, no. Then here we go in that seeking state. So at this point, this is basically what, if we go in seeking, this is what was triggering it. But yeah, okay, we know. Then we found something that is not a team member. Okay, what do we need to do? So is he alive? The actor that we send. So the target, is it alive? Yes, no, then go back in seeking state. That maybe we are gonna change later on. And then if it's alive, it's an enemy and it's alive, then we are going set the enemy because the function requires an input, yeah, so that enemy is then the actor we sensed. So I'm gonna double click, and if it's then not there, then it's going to investigate, but that's also a function we are not interested in at the moment and not working. Then we are going to set the combat state. Directly when we set the combat state, we are calling the target on target detected, and the on target detected was, I need to think, hold on. So yeah, that is set also on the AI component on the setup again. When we bind on target detected, and it doesn't, and it runs a function, the server check weapon. And the server check weapon is also in here, I think. Yes, okay, it's still in the same. So first things first. So like I say, here, division, division, vision, vision. So first vision, we go to combat. From the combat, we are going first set or call the target on target detection, yeah, and then this is then the calling the server check weapon. Let's see. So what are we doing? We are storing a reference to our target. That is the first thing we do. Then the second thing is we making a sequence to keep the coding nice, to do step by step. Okay, here we go. We are NPC. We are talking about the component. So the NPC is our AI holding. That is, let, let us say we at this point looking at what is my enemy holding. Okay, so first we are getting the component. In this case, it's equipment component because the information we have sits on the equipment component. We are finding an attached equipment slot in the equipment array, and which slot we are using, the primary weapon. That is basically what at this point we are interested in. And then here again, we are, if it is not valid, just resetting the, where is it, in the combat? So resetting our owning weapon to nothing. Yeah, when it's not valid, we are resetting to nothing. That's we, yes. The target weapon, then best maybe set this, but yeah, don't go over the flow, don't modify. Then okay, we find, yep, we have something, okay. Then I say like, is it attached? And is it not empty? Yeah, so if the slot is attached and it's not empty, then yes. So again, if it fails owning weapon and has owning weapon, we basically null pointer this. And then if we have, yeah, then this comes from us. We are here setting our weapon. Yes, we are setting our weapon. Then, yeah, set owning weapon. And then in the next step, we are going to check the weapon from our enemy. So in this case, we are basically doing a little bit the same. So if we cannot find the component, we null pointer it. Then we are getting our primary weapon slot. Same thing. And then here, same thing. So here we are getting and setting then the correct weapon data. And I'm interested basically in this one. This is what I want. And then, okay, then here in the third step, we are going then make the fight equal. Okay, so we are checking ourselves. Do we have our components that we need? Do we have a owning weapon? Does the target has a weapon? So our check from above, they need to be the same. And then here already, normally in the top it is reset. So on the pin, we don't need to put something. Then we are getting the weapon we are currently holding. We get the inventory item. We get the slot to unequip, and we call that function from the equipment component automatically unequip. We do not do a check. We do not do a check. So this could be potential a failure. Because if it fails, we don't know. And so maybe just to already have something in between to trigger it, that maybe this is what I say, is the weapon unequipped? Wait, make a print, make some print. Okay, print. Put that already over here. Duplicate this one. Put that one somewhere over here. And then is unequipped. I'm gonna, for now, just do it like so. And then in this case, also like so, that we don't have a, and like in this case, we're just gonna continue, same like it was before that we put our debugging things in it. We unequip, we fail it, unequip. Okay, so then, okay, that's good. Yeah, I'm not gonna put, and then we equip. So I'm really interested in this one, and that is a attached equipped type. Attached equipped type. So we need to go into our debugger. We need to have a variable weapon holding. Let me say, and what? It was a whole mouthful, huh? Struct attached equipment type. Struct attached equipment. Yeah, equipment it was. Yeah, equipment. I think it should be the same. Let me see. If we click on this, equipment slot, an attached actor, and an inventory item. Okay, let's see if that is correct. Break it. Break the slot attach. Yeah, that is what we need. So this is basically what we need. All right. This one. Expose on spawn, that we can give it an input. Make it instant editable. Yes, just call this combat to stay a little bit uniform. Okay, that is what I want for now. All right. Yeah, for the logic and everything, that is not the interest now. Then the next thing we need is to go completely up and take our master AI characters folder and take the master advanced, the advanced master, so the first blueprint. Yeah, we still need to delete everything, but yeah, okay. Then hold on a second. Let me think. I want on the capsule a new component widget. Just the widget component, and I'm gonna call this debugger. Voila. I'm gonna put that widget somewhere around here. Then we're gonna select the debugger. Then in here, let's look in world space. That's all right. We say go back to the designer panel, 300 by 100. Where is he? We say 300 by 100. Oh, 100. The widget class I want. Let's quickly open another browser. Of course, you must open it in the wrong one. Okay, then on this one, I want to go to my that one, and then in this one, I want to put it on it. So in this case, it's not doing much, but this is for me okay. It just to have some visual, that we see what we are doing and that we can have some information, of course. But we need to always, yeah, we need to make sure that it's resimulating what we want to do. Okay, that is that, that is that. Then in this case, here is no logic done at the moment, but still we are interested in. So now we need to find a way to talk to each other. Okay, so this is the text block. Yes, I think it should be visible right now. No, let's quickly. Yes, it says text block. Okay, that's good. Yep, so we don't need to break our heads at the moment of that. Okay, that is good. We need to access this. Let me quickly go over here. Let me quickly go there, and then it was like get widget, I think. Get widget. Cast to be debug. Okay, and then we are interested in weapon holding. Weapon holding. Voila. Okay, set the weapon holding. Okay. Do we have? No, this is to be deleted. Weapon holding. Like so. Owning weapon we need. Owning weapon we need. We are gonna put it over here. I'm gonna put it in a function. I'm thinking because we need to update this. The weapon holding, okay. When we do it on begin play, only sets it on play. Yeah, it must be a function. Debug weapon. Okay, debug weapon. Let's quickly see that everything is in order. Okay, so that is the only thing. We just want to set it. All right. Yeah, just brainstorming. Then we need to put this somewhere. First of all, we don't have the begin play. So on begin play, for sure. Begin play, yes. Now it's not doing it much, but okay. So we are going to set it then compile. Then we are going to quickly go back to this one. And then we need to have, I think I forgot something, the text. Yeah, okay, here it needs to be a variable. Quickly called it something, weapon txt for text. Okay, compile it quickly. Back to our code, and we are gonna do it on construct. Yeah, do it on construct for now. Delete this, we don't need, so we want this. Yeah, we need to update our text. That is what we need. Set text. That is what we need. Whoopakay. Then inventory item. That was the one we are getting. We are breaking this one. Could get messy. Hold on. What do we have more? No, it's the item. Break it. And then I think with the role name we are okay to go. And then hook it up. Voila. Let's see. Quickly look. So they don't have a weapon normally. No, they don't. Yeah, the fist empty. Okay. We failed. Voila. Okay. That is already good. We are getting the information empty. So yes, empty. So the fists don't go in the slot. The fists don't go in the slot. All right, hold on a sec. Then this delete, this delete. Then go quickly here, and yeah, then we need to go one up, two up, and now I'm interested in the females. Now I'm interested in the females. So they start with the weapon. They start with the weapon, put they over there, and then turn them. Oops, okay, oop, like so. Then quickly set one to another team. Otherwise, they will not do much. We need to have this as an enemy, make this one the player, put this one on wait, for example. Yes. And normally they need to hold something. So normally it must say like, what was it? Basic sort, I think, or text block, yeah. Simulate, empty. Okay, empty. So it stays empty when we do this on. So it stays empty. Hold on, Um, hold on. So it's empty when begin start. We need to trigger that function somewhere else also. We need to trigger this function somewhere else also. Where is the best place to do this on the AI component? Here is already a problem. I see. That's good that we do this, but okay, so we know he is not, and I say like do not add it to the inventory, so not that. Okay, so this part already we need to focus on, but now I want to do vision. Vision is a lie. Set combat mode. Called server thing. Set the attack state. We need to go back. We need to be in this one. This one was over here. We are here. Then here we go. I think this is where we do the weapon setup. This is where we do the weapon setup, and in this case, he's not in equipping. Should I do it before or should I do it afterwards? Uh, 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 Let me think. We for sure need our NPC. That is already here. I'm gonna quickly add another pin. I'm gonna take the pin 2. I'm gonna hold control and I'm gonna just slide it one down. And I'm gonna make a new one here. So the new one is first of all our NPC we need. Yes, because it was on the NPC. We named it debug. Debug weapon. Voila, this one. Okay, we're gonna put it here. Let's see. Okay, hook it up. Then here. Maybe compile and save everything. Oh, compile, save. Compile, save. Compile and save. Compile and save. Voila. That the other level. Okay, here we go. Let's see what is empty. So in no way he is updating that value. So meaning our logic is somewhere not doing what we wanted to do, or no, because wait. I want to see the bug window. Gonna quickly drag this to here. I just want to see if it's updating only on. Oh yeah, okay. No, I see where. Hold on. We need to modify. Because it's only called on construct. So okay, same thing here. But yeah, we are updating this in the function. We are updating this in the function. So every time we call it, then normally it must be set. Normally it must be set. Normally here it must be. So that is meaning This I need. Simulate. Ah, we didn't put it in a category. Yes, we did it. No? Ah, here, yeah. Okay, so here, empty, empty. So yeah, okay, we are too late. They killed each other. Okay, so this one. Oh, again. Idiots. Quickly duplicate one. That we still have one available for ourselves. Let's go. All right. And now kill each other. Okay, that is that. Doesn't matter. So I was interested in this one. Um, mm, okay, okay, okay. Hold on. So we get the. Okay, what do we get here as well? Yes, in the equipment slot or actor. We need to put in here. Primary weapon. This is what we are asking. Primary weapon. Um, that is nothing. Yeah, target weapon, hotbar details. No, it doesn't. How can we see what we are really holding in our hand? Yeah, should be correct. Row name, that is what I'm asking for. Empty. Empty. We are doing that logic over here. This is where we all asking this. Yeah, this is where we get the values. Owning weapon. So that is basically what we are at this point holding. Target weapon. He equips it, so break it. Break it. We failed to unequip, you say, eh? But I'm gonna do it different. Duplicate this one, put it at the end. Okay. It's gonna be dirty, but doesn't matter. Okay. Let's see what output we got. So they say empty, but we paste. That is correct. That is correct. So is our widget not correctly updating maybe? Is the widget not correct updating? But okay. So at this point, yeah, that is working. So okay, so you were focusing on. I'm gonna make a new event. That's what I'm gonna do. Update weapon text. Update weapon text. Gonna do it like this, and then this. text on construct. Okay, and we were, hold on, first here I think we did it. Wait. Weapon holding. I'm gonna do it different. I'm gonna do it like that. Okay, like this. Okay, so that's better. We were calling it on the master first. Yes. And then this I'm gonna remove. This I'm gonna call, what did I call it? Update weapon text. Master. Update weapon text. Then we are gonna fill in our input. So, okay, so this, the rest stays the same. It's looking, yeah. All right, that's what we want. Yeah, that is what we want. All right, trial and error. You break and you break. That's good. That is what we want. All right, hold on. What I'm gonna do, because otherwise, you can go out now. Otherwise, we have too much on the screen. And this here, we still leave those in for now. Okay. So we set up our debugging, and now we need to find a way that they can simulate again. So I'm gonna quickly clean up. This all can go out now. We need to have to start with advanced AI. I think I put it in the core. I'm gonna take a patrol pad. Doesn't matter, just quickly create a pad. Put it like so. Put it like so. Put it like so. Okay, that's good. Just that we have a pad. All right. We need to go one up. Now we need to have our characters. We need to simulate this. So this guy has no weapon. This guy has no weapon. We are going to say to this guy, take the patrol route and start patrolling. So then we already have like set start behavior. So when he stays alive, he needs to go back to his patrolling state. And in this case, I'm gonna start at the bottom. I'm gonna make this player D. D is the guy that is patrolling. All right. The ranges I'm not gonna mess with for now because this is too far. It's 3 meters. This should be 150. But yeah, leave it. Otherwise, we maybe have issues in detecting. Okay, that is the first one. So he will just follow the path. I'm gonna put another mile over here that will just then be waiting. I'm gonna turn him. 90 degrees. I'm gonna turn him. Ting. Then again, we need to have our AI component. He will be waiting. So okay, we'll loop in a waiting state. He doesn't have. This is our waiting guy, we worker. That should be a worker, was just waiting. That is his task. All right. Now we need to have some sorry mans. Eh? We are gonna. Did I not make an extra mistake? No, I did not. Configurations. I'm gonna quickly make a new folder. Call it NPC. And then I'm gonna just copy one over there. This, yeah, doesn't matter. The namings, open this quickly just to give her another weapon. This is the steel sword. Just what can we give then? Another, no, it must be not a sword. What was it? The iron longsword? Yeah, take the iron longsword for this then. Eh? All right. Then we want to have one of this in the level. Where are we gonna put it? Somewhere maybe here. Yeah, maybe somewhere over here. Let me see. Then this also turn. Okay, maybe not like that. Maybe something like so. We are gonna give this the we are player. This is the player, and then we need to have one that I'm gonna put over here, and that is then just the normal female. Okay, rotate it like so. Put it here, and this is then team B. Now we have some variation, and let's hope they do what they need to do. Basically saying you have a sword and then they don't have anything in the hands. Allee, that is what I'm looking at. Okay, let's hope they do something. Okay, he directly detected. He start also doing an attack. He is dead. And he just goes back into, but I already see, yeah, we didn't clear, eh? Yeah, we took out, yeah, hold on, we need to have that in it. We need to have that in it. Hold on. AI core, the black the behavior tree. We need to unarmed, yes, but the armed, yeah, okay, and melee, I need to reconnect this, otherwise he's not clearing, otherwise he's not clearing and he's not, allee, going back, allee, unequipping the weapon. So no, it must be like it was, and we need to have everything connected. All right, again, so we already know that they and then he doesn't come to there, so he is detecting this one, so this one is standing too close in my opinion then, so move it then like so, maybe backwards. We can drag him, so it's no issue. Okay, what is he? Okay, he's wandering. That one is following the path. Okay, he's switching from fists. Fists. Okay, fists. Okay. He's just going back into wandering or something. He's going back into wandering. And in what state is he? Wandering. The enemy is not reset. The enemy is not reset. So normally he had to reset the enemy, so he gets stuck somewhere. But he's wandering. And then also that is maybe why. Wait, fist. Move that one over there. He is over there. Okay, they are moving in closer. Okay, no. There, come over here. You, I need. Okay, go a little bit. Beep. Wait until he stops. Okay, then put him over here. That one is over there that I can see what he's doing. Drag him over here. Okay, we had it almost. Come on. You need to go there. Not there. No, no. All right. No. We need to find a way to simulate, but we already see that he is not going out of. He is not. No, this is the melee. That was the fist. Eh? He is not clearing. Right then, so wait and then. Yeah, arranging sometimes can also. Hold on. We failed, so always fail to unequip. We failed. Fists. Yeah, this one I don't need. This one wasn't in battle. Eh? So what information we get? So yeah, okay, good. He cleared the enemy. So now he's back into his wandering state. So that is good. Eh? Okay, that is already good. Then this one, and they are too far. So yeah, wait. Eh? Pause. Take this one. And then move it a little bit closer to here, maybe. He was running, so put him maybe just so closer that they are seeing each other. That's what I want to see. I want to see if they update. So this one, put that backwards, and put that because he's walking that direction. So play. Okay. He is dead, and then. Yeah, at the moment he's not doing what I was looking for. Yeah, okay. We can go on for hours, but at the moment we fixed the start behavior, and now we have the AI go back into his. But yeah, he stays in the fit, so it's normal. We still have the issue from not unequipping. So he stays in the fist, and he needs to go to the unarmed. He needs to go in unarmed. That is basically what we need, not fist. Okay, so the debug window that was working, so that we don't need anymore. Keep that somewhere else. And the debugging is working, yeah. Let's quickly go where we do it. We need, so this is not doing anything. Hyper, filter on data tables, items, un. Okay. Control C, that we need to always have the correct namings. Close this, don't save anything. We need to go here. We need to go here. We need to go here. We need to have something. Let me quickly think. Oh, head. Maybe that is the issue. No. Primary weapon. Let's quickly test this first. Oh, maybe we just. Oh, hold on. One still failed to equip. No. That was not the issue, but still put it correctly. And then see empty. That's correct. Empty. Yes, I'm gonna just duplicate one of those. TMP debug. That's what I'm gonna call it. Okay. So, and this one, so compiler, otherwise we cannot send values. TMP debug inventory item. The item I'm looking for is the UNOR. Oh, the item data table we first need to set, and the item be unarmed. Unarmed. Voila. That is what I want. Yeah, that is what I want. Okay, then this is not doing it. So here we say unequip, and then here we go equip. Yes, but I also want to see the task. I also want to quickly see the task that we don't mess up. The task, where is it? In the core folder, task, pt task. We are clear target. And normally we are doing it. Clear target. Cast to the AI. If the cast fails, we can execute. Equipment fail. Execute. Bypass. And here we equip. Here we are resetting everything. Here we go back in the start behavior. Yeah, here we go back in the start behavior. Hold on. That we don't lose. So here, I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna take this one also. Gonna just do a test. We failed. Okay, we failed. And then we need to have the temporary one. Okay, let's see. Hold on, compile and save. Oh, we have an issue. Oh yeah, we need to connect this one. Take it from here. Okay, compile and save. Now it's good. Okay, let's see what they are doing and what we are getting. We still failed, eh? That already looks better, eh? Because this one was failing. Unarmed. Okay, that is good. That's better. So, okay. And now they're stuck in that melee thing, I think. Yeah, this is what I want, but hold on. No, he's not stuck. But now he seems to fail. Ah, yeah, it's normal, eh? They don't attack when you're not. They don't attack. Oh, yeah, that's true. But yeah, it's. So we know where the problem lays. Eh? I'm gonna invest this a little bit more because I need to see this. Why we always fail. Why we always fail. So I'm gonna invest this part, and then once we have it, then we will continue on this one. But it's going good. We almost have the last error out of it, and then I'm gonna break my head on how we are going to start about the seeking and the investigation. So that is then the hearing, the hearing part, because now mainly what we are doing is we are finding a target, an actor. We are moving to that actor, and then we do all kinds of tasks on it. But still on seeking and on investigation, it's basically, do I have the controller open? Yeah, okay, like here, he doesn't know what he hear because like I hear something based then on or I don't think it's in here, but okay, it's in here. Then, for example, this is vision, functionality, sensing, hearing. Then here we have that array basically of the perception reaction text that we created, and he will be then checking if he can then find it. Did we store it somewhere? Let me quickly look. Did we store it? No, we didn't store it. But here we can see it. So here we have then configured types on what we want to react him, what he can hear. So we have a gunshot. So when he hears a gunshot, we flee in this or an explosion. Then we set the state as fleeing. For now, because this needs then later, once we start with the ranging, we can set it, when you hear a gunshot, you need to go to the location, and then once he sees it, the seeing will take over and goes into combat mode. And then on footsteps, just go investigate. So that's the point. This the point we found. There we go, the point of interest or the point receiver location, and then we go. And then the same when you hear voices, and then when you got the melee attack, he directly goes and sets it into in the melee attack, and then actor sensed because we need it. We are giving it also, but normally on hearing we nowhere set basically the thing, the actor, I think. Let me quickly verify that I don't see. Yes, no, we said it. Yes, we said it also. But this part is not working, and if we're gonna connect it, then he will, yes, get stuck in the seeking and the investigation stage. But for now, it's good. We're already 1 hour further, so no, I will investigate that little part on the unequipping, and then yeah, then we can move on. And then I think the battle, allee, the combat, melee and unarmed is okay for now. If we come during development and more problems, but now we're gonna first do the hearing and everything, and then I will see what we can put more in it later. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.